Oh, cool. Well, why are they turning off? Look, they're coming over here.
Oh, they're coming this way.
That's getting stupid.
Wow.
Oh wow. Oh wow, you can see him under the water. Oh, that is so cool. That is magic. Oh look, they're coming over to say hi.
Do you reckon it'll bite me?
No, don't put it on the rod. Don't put it on, Dad. They're right below us. Oh, good.
Keep going now.
Alright, now we can go. They're not coming back to us now. They've lost interest.
I think they want you to go forward so they can jump out.
Yeah?
On the other side, yeah?
Keep it like really low then.
Would they bite my fingers if I put my hand in the water?
I don't know. Wouldn't have thought so. I don't think they show any particular interest. This studio, see, it's either getting away.
Never in my life. It's going. It's right under us. You gotta keep going. You gotta keep going. It's following us along.
Wow, that's a good gig.
It's like right there.
Look, it's there.
We don't want to hurt him. I think they must be like.
They're going that way. But you got to watch out for that boat as well.
Did they like it at the time?